What is LabVIEW? The full form of LabVIEW is Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench. It is a software program that allows you to create and control different type of electronic systems like robot, drone, measurement instrument, etc. with your computer without having to be an expert in programming and electronics. LabVIEW is commonly used in fields like scientific research, engineering, and industrial automation because it simplifies the process of building and controlling complex systems. Also, it is easier for people with different backgrounds to work together on projects that involves electronics and computers. One of my friend asked why only LabVIEW because instrument also have some inbuilt software that makes measurement easy. So I would like to say LabVIEW offers more flexibility than a standard laboratory instrument because it is software based. You, not the instrument manufacturer, define measure instrument functionality. I will give a simple example. The space industry's seat float zone furnace is used for high temperature superconductor measurement processing research in a microgravity environment aboard the NASA KC-135 parabolic aircraft. LabVIEW controls this industrialized Mac OS based system. So this is capability of LabVIEW, and it is a graphical programming environment developed by National Instrument. Unlike traditional text-based coding language, LabVIEW lets you design programs visually. You will see data flows represented by connecting lines, which helps in creating applications by arranging and linking icons and blocks instead of writing code line by line. So this is official website of LabVIEW. You can download it from here and see much more detail about it. So I'm not going to show you how to download it or install it. So it is obviously very simple. I'm just show you after downloading. You will see the interface for LabVIEW like this. So I will show you a very simple program so that you can understand the function and applicability of LabVIEW. So here I'm just going to create a simple program of converting degree centigrade to Kelvin. Like I want to give some input in degree centigrade and I want results in Kelvin. So for this I will select a numeric control where I will give input, and then I will take a numeric indicator which will show our temperature in Kelvin. Okay. So this is a front panel of our program. Here I will provide input and here I will see the result. So I can go to block diagram of this, and these this is the place where the program actually work. So I have to convert this one to Kelvin. So for this I will have to add 273 in my input. So I will select an adder and then add 273 in it, and then I will connect it with Kelvin. So this is complete. Okay. Now if I take input as 10 and run this program, I can run this program from here. So I can see results in Kelvin. So you can see this is totally graphical. I have not written any code here. Okay. So this is the way by which LabVIEW works. It is very easy. You have not to remember anything. If you know some basic things, then you can prepare program for your work. LabVIEW is basically used for controlling instruments. It has lots of applicability. We will talk it later. For now, I can show you how I can make some complex program. Like I have made a program for measuring thermal conductivity. So its interface will look like this. So in the entire program, I have not written any single code. So, but this is totally graphical. I have to select icons and wire it again and again. So this is the way by how LabVIEW works. The LabVIEW program is made up of two things. The front panel. Front panel is usually kept open during execution of program. It has only two things. First one is control and indicators. Control, where we control things, we give input, and indicators, where we get results of our program, our experiment. And the block diagram. So on contains uh, block diagram contains graphical source of LabVIEW program. It has icons, which are also known as LabVIEW VIs, wires and loop, etc. It has little bit complex structure. So the program for measuring thermal conductivity, this is front panel, where I can control things, like I can give inputs. And this is block diagram, where I have connected different VIs through wires, and here the program actually works.